Good day, my friends. Let's learn something new today. Okay, as you can see, we've got some very nice pictures over here. And let's have a look at what is the next lesson all about. I'm doing versus I do, that is present continuous and present simple. So let's look at our objective, learn how to distinguish between the present continuous and present simple tenses in English. Understanding these key tenses will help you express ongoing actions and habits with clarity and precision. And once again, it is made by myself, Alfred Grobler, trying to bring some free education to everybody. But guys, while we're at it and we're on this topic, I really do need some support, buying some coffee, at least just to cover my expenses. I'm trying to bring free education to as many people as I possibly can, and but if you can and you can afford it, please start supporting me with some coffee. Thank you very much. Let's continue with the lesson. Okay, now that you've got the objective, let's continue. I am doing present continuous. Righto, what's it all about? Let's have a look. The form is subject plus am or is or are plus verb ing, right? The usage, actions happening now, temporary situations, future arrangements. Let's have a look at the present continuous. I am doing, that equals now at the time of speaking. For instance, right, let's have a look over here. It's all coming in slowly, but it's coming. You've got the past tense, now or the present, and then the future. So present continuous is things that are happening right now. I am doing is things that are happening right now at the time of speaking. Righto. For instance, example, please be quiet, I'm working. Jane is having a shower at the moment. Take an umbrella with you, it's raining. Guys, please take note of the pronunciation, practice it, and as I always say, practice makes perfect. Okie dokie, let's continue. I do present simple. Righto. The form, I, you, we, they, plus a verb he, she, it, plus a verb with a plural s at the back, right? The usage, habits and routines, general truths, statements, etc. The present simple, I do, in general, all the time, or sometimes. Once again, the past tense, right now, righto, present, future, so you will say I do for the present simple. Let's look at some examples. I work every day from 9 a.m., that's 9 o'clock in the morning, to 5 p.m., 5 in the evening or the afternoon. Jane has a shower every evening, right? It rains a lot in the summer. I don't watch TV very often. Right, guys, there you've got some examples on how to do it. And once again, please, guys, practice makes perfect. Okay. A beautiful clock that we've got here to show the time. When to use the tense. Righto. Let's look into it. Firstly, present continuous is for actions happening now or in the very near future. The present simple is for habits, routines, general truths, and statements. Habits like brushing your teeth every morning, or routines is like I walk to work every day. General truths is like the sun sets in the west, and states or whatever. Right, let's continue. And let's go have a look. Right, we don't use these verbs in the present continuous. Like, love, want, you, understand, remember, depend, prefer, hate, need, mean, believe, forget. These are some of the words that we will not use in the present continuous. Okay. Wow. I'm a bus driver. I think we've got some exercises coming up here for you to do. Right. Let's have it. Practice exercise number 1. Guys, grab hold of your notebook or whatever the case what you're busy using. And I would suggest that you just make a little image, for instance, and you put there, I am a bus driver, to know. Then you answer these questions, right? Is he driving a bus? You must answer it. Does he drive a bus? And what is he doing? So you must answer these questions over here. Like always, pause the video and answer your questions. And once you finish answering them, we can check the answers. I'm going to give you a minute or two to answer the questions quickly.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Okay, I assume that you paused the video and you've answered all your questions. Let's go and have a look at the answers. Right. There it is. Let's check the answers. The very first one, is he driving a bus? No, he isn't, right? He's not driving the bus. Does he drive a bus? Yes, he does, because he says, I'm a bus driver. So yes, he does drive a bus. And of course, what is he doing? At this very present moment, he's playing the guitar. Right? It looks like he's standing in front of his bus playing a guitar. That's what he's busy doing at this point of time, huh? Wow. Great. Let's look at the next one. The picture's here already, huh? Right, and they say, we are teachers. Two teachers, maybe they're having a break and they went to the park for a walk to relax, huh? Okay, let's have a look. Practice exercise number 2. Here it is, once again. Are they teaching? Do they teach? What do they do? Again, guys, pause the video and answer your questions. And once you finish answering the questions, we continue to see the answers. Right, guys, I'm going to give you a minute or two.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Okay, I assume that you did pause the video. Sorry, excuse me for that. Let's continue. Let's check your answers. Righto. Are they teaching? No, they aren't. Right? They're somewhere in a park, busy chatting. Do they teach? Yes, they do, because they say, we are teachers. What do they do? Now, if you go back in the lessons, you'll see what do they do is the same as what job do you do? They are teachers, right, guys? This here confuses many people when you say, what do they do? If you're not an NES speaker, a lot of times it is misunderstood. That is why, what do you do? If you go back in the lessons, you'll see it refers to what job do you do? They are teachers. Righto, guys, we're almost ready for the next one. I think there are about 5 of these little exercises for you to do, but don't forget, in every one of them, make a little sketch or whatever, and right there, we are teachers, as it'll be going along with the rest. Great, we have completed exercise number 2, and let's move on. What happened over here? Oh, there the picture only comes now. Oh my gosh, righto, okay. Sorry for that. We are mechanics. Now, for those of you that don't know the word mechanics, a mechanic is a person that's been trained to repair cars and motorcycles, etc. when they are broken. Righto, so that's what a mechanic is. Practice exercise number 3. Here you've got all the questions coming up. Righto, the first one, are they repairing a car? Second one, do they repair cars? What are they doing? Once again, guys, pause the video, make a little sketch, right? We are mechanics. Write down the questions, guys, because an answer on its own without the question doesn't mean much when you want to refer to something you want to check. If you've got them both written down in your notebook, you can always just page back and refresh yourself. Right, guys, I'm going to give you a minute or two to finish the answers.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Okay, I assume that you did pause the video, and let's go and have a look at the answers. Once again, check your answers, right? Check your answers over there, and it is practice exercise number 3. The first question, are they repairing a car? Yes, they are. Do they repair cars? Yes, they do. What are they doing? They are repairing a car. As you can see over here, they're busy doing something on this car. Well, who knows? Maybe they're breaking it. No, only a joke. No, they're busy repairing the car. Righto, guys. Let's move on to, I think, exercise number 4 now. And let's see. Oh, it's coming in there already. I'm a window cleaner. So this guy cleans windows. So if your windows are dirty, you can just call him and he'll come and clean them for you. Quite a good job. Practice exercise number 4. Question 1. Does he clean windows? Is he cleaning a window? What is he doing? Once again, pause the video and make a little sketch. Write, I'm a window cleaner. Copy it down, all down. And then you can answer the questions. So guys, I'm going to give you a minute or two. Then we'll check the answers.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Right, guys, I assume that you did pause the video and answered all your questions. Let's go and have a look at the answers. Check your answers. Once again, they say we have to check the answers. Yeah, it's always good to check your work, eh? Right, guys. Does he clean windows? Yes, he does. Is he cleaning a window? Yes, he is. What is he doing? He is cleaning a window. Great, guys. That is number 4. Let's move on. Okay, like we finished exercise 4. Number 5 coming up. We are students. They must be at a university or a college or something like that maybe, huh? Anyhow, let's continue and let's have a look. Practice exercise number 5. Yeah, you've got the questions. Do they study? What does a student do? Are they studying now? What are they doing? Like once again, guys, please pause the video, make a little sketch, write we are students, copy the questions down, and I'll give you a moment to answer them, and then we'll check all the questions once again.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Okay, I assume that you have answered all the questions. Let's move on. And let's check the answers once again. Check your answers. Guys, it's important to check your answers. And of course, if you had any of them wrong, guys, I'll refer you to maybe replay the video, watch the video once again, and make sure you understand it. Right? Do they study? Yes, they do. They are students. What do students do? Students study. Are they studying now? Well, to me it looks like they're busy studying something there over there now. They are busy doing something, but they are studying. So I'll assume yes, they are. And what are they doing? Well, as I've just said, I think they are busy studying something. Right, guys, now please make sure you understand this. Make sure that you can do it without really thinking and without struggling. If you had anything wrong, please go back in the video, make sure you understand it. Okay, now that we have done all the exercises, we've gone through the lesson, I am sure that you understand it. Let's have a look at using tenses in context. Let's have a look at it. Scenario number 1, you're at a party, someone asks you what blah blah blah, and scenario number 2, blah blah blah. Guys, please, once again, I'm going to give you a minute or two to answer the questions with the scenarios, let's put it this way, and then I'll give you the answers. So once again, guys, write it down, do it in your notebook, and we'll check the answers within the next minute or so.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Okay, now that you've completed it, let's just go and check the answers. Righto? You're at the party and someone asks you, what do you do? Remember that, guys? I referred to it earlier. What do you do means what work do you do? Alright. The second scenario is you're talking about your daily routines, and of course it remains unchanged. I usually wake up early, right? It remains unchanged. Okay. Righto guys, I hope you had it all correct, that you didn't struggle to do anything. Righto, we are reaching the end of the lesson. And let's have a look at some key takeaways that you can take away with you. The first one, of course, the present continuous, is for actions in progress, temporary situations, and future arrangements. And then the present simple, that is for habits, routines, general truths, and statements, etc. Guys, I'm quite sure that by now you can handle it, you can do it. You know how to talk in the present continuous and in the present simple. And please, once again, if you have gained anything or benefited from this lesson, consider buying me or supporting me with a cup of coffee a month, so we can keep these lessons rolling. Right, guys? Good luck.